After 50, your body has two choices: break down or bounce back. And the difference? It's not genetics. It's what you do every single day. Here's the truth. You don't need hours in the gym, no expensive gear, not even a complex routine. Just one simple move, yes, one, can reshape your body, spark your energy, and even reverse signs of aging. Sound too good to be true? That's because most people overlook the basics. Stick around. I'll show you the one movement that could help you feel decades younger. Less time, more strength, no excuses. That's exactly why most people overlook it. We're talking about squats. They're not just a leg exercise, they're a full-body upgrade. Squats hit your quads, glutes, and core all at once, and even help improve posture and coordination. Here's the surprising truth. As we age, the legs take the hardest hit. Muscle loss starts from the ground up, and that's exactly why so many older adults feel unsteady, slow down, or dread climbing stairs. But it doesn't have to be that way. Enter squats, your body's natural defense against aging. They help rebuild strength in your lower body, improve balance, and dramatically cut down the risk of falls, one of the most serious threats to health after 50. Want to stay mobile, independent, and strong? Start from the legs, and start with squats. Moreover, studies show squats naturally trigger growth hormone release. That helps with fat burning, muscle maintenance, and slowing down age-related decline. And what makes squats truly special? They boost circulation, both blood and lymph flow. And that's huge after 50, because your body's recovery and detox system slow down with age. Squats literally help your body clear out waste, reduce inflammation, and deliver fresh nutrients to your joints and tissues. That means less stiffness, better mobility, and more energy throughout the day. Imagine being able to crouch down and tie your shoes without pain, or play with your grandkids without worrying about your knees. That's what squats can unlock, with just a little consistency. So, how to get started? Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Lower yourself down like you're sitting into a chair. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Push through your heels to stand back up. Practice this every day, even just a few reps. Because when you stay consistent, your body responds fast, and you'll feel the difference in just a few weeks. Want to keep building strength, flexibility, and lasting energy? Make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always the first to know when a new video drops. Your path to a stronger, healthier you begins today.